Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2002 Toyota Camry LT sedan, stock reference number 3842. This shape runs from the 8th month 2002 through to the 5th month 2006. It has a 2AZ, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2AZ, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand headlight requiring a polish. Left guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims all round. Left front is a bald tyre. Left power door mirror in black. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door also has one small dent. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre. Left tail light. Rear bumper bar does have a scuff on the left-hand side, but other than that it's pretty tidy. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Spoiler type. Right tail light's in good condition. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 3 small dents. And a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey leather centre console lid. Automatic type console. Automatic gear shifter. Standard heated controls. Factory 6-stack CD player. Display cluster. Interior mirror. Left sun visor. Right sun visor. Instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel in grey. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.